How to add your career on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your career on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app. Here you will find this three lines in the top corner, and then click on your profile here and click edit, and click here and click edit, and then just click more information, and here you will find careers. Just click add and type here your position and anything you want, and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.